In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to resolve or fix if your Wi-Fi is not working or connecting on your Toshiba laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and type in troubleshoot. Best result should come back with troubleshoot settings. Go ahead and open that up. And then over on the right side, scroll down and select additional troubleshooters. Underneath Get Up and Running, select the Internet Connections Troubleshooter and then run the troubleshooter for that. And give us a moment, and then hopefully we'll be able to identify the problem. Something else we can try here would be to open up the search menu and type in CMD. Best result should say Command Prompt. Right click on it and then Run as Administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, select Yes. And now you want to type in ipconfig space /flush DNS. Flush DNS should all be one word attached to that / out front. Hit enter on your keyboard. Should come back with Windows IP configuration, successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. Now you want to type in netsh space winsock, WINSOCK, space reset, and then hit enter. And then you will need to restart your computer for the reset to take effect here. Please note, one other thing you can try here as well if you're still having a problem would be to actually power off or unplug your router and then plug it back into the wall and then see if that would hopefully reset your internet settings as well, or at least your router settings. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.